Hey guys, what's up? If you're new to my channel, I'm Alex, and you guys are the aliens like the aliens. And today we are with Lily and her puppy named Method. And then Jane with her hedgehog. Humphrey. Okay. So, and they're about to meet each other that you never had before.
Oh yeah, and then Stan's over few puppies right there. Oh yeah, there's my other puppies.
Okay. Go. Meet.
He's nibbling my finger.
You need to meet.
Don't put it on my leg.
I don't want to get it.
Oh, gee, that hurt! Don't drop the puppy. That's as close as they're gonna get without. Don't be stupid.
Okay, look at this. It sucks on my finger. Sucky.
Yeah, you like nibbles on your finger. It's so cute.
Oh my god. Okay.
Oh my god.
I'm going out.
Yeah, we're going out.
You just take a puppy. That was me. All right, where's my food?
Okay, we're gonna make you some.
Now.
Bro, listen, that's enough competition. That's a lot of. Oh, gee, Allie wants food.
Sorry. All right, guys, that's it for today. Bye.